Welcome to the Wasteland. Today we get to show you the new vehicle addition to the Wasteland. It's a 77 Chevy Custom Deluxe. Oh, never mind, it's a Chevy Cheyenne. Oh, it is a Custom Deluxe. It's a C10. How about that? We're going to fire it up for you here in a minute. This truck sat for, how many years did he have it sit for?
What did they say, 7 years?
No, that was the Impala.
Oh, that's right.
I think this one was sitting for 3 or 4 years, not started or anything. Transmission was kaput on it. Me and Pop's already installed a rebuilt transmission. I wanted to get it on video, but there wasn't enough light under there to do anything with. It's original, everything's original. It's a TH350. It now has a shift kit in it. It was completely destroyed. Got the good old Chevy 350 in it. And you can ignore all this crap because you'll see that in the next video. We're gonna fire it up. When was the last time we fired this thing up? Like 2 months ago?
Well, didn't we fire it up when we put the transmission in it?
Yeah, I drove it, but
yeah.
How long ago was that? Because it's been sitting up
on this ramp for a while. Yeah, it's been a while.
Well, anyway, it's been a long time sitting up on these ramps. But I'm going to fire it up for you. The exhaust ain't hooked up. See, right now I wish I had dual cameras so I could record that and me pumping the hell out of it.
So you want me to stay here and catch the engine, or you want me to watch you pumping it?
Let's do the engine.
Okie dokie.
Full shot of the engine.
Alrighty then.
Because I know when I watch videos, I'm more interested in how the engine sounds and looks when it fires up.
Okay.
There's going to be a lot of pumpage.
Yeah, that's what she said. That way there's proof that it is running. Take that right under that, stick right up under the door a little bit. Hold it down like this. I do have the bezel that goes around the speedometer and all that crap. Speedometer don't work, fuel gauge does, volts works. Does oil pressure work? Oil pressure works.
I don't know if the temp gauge works yet. I've got the dual sliding window on the back just like the S10. I just cut the shit out of my finger on the rust.
Sorry, I can't show you a whole lot of the interior. Got too many tools in here.
The guy I picked this up from says he's got a lot of new parts, like new fenders and one new door, because I think he replaced one. So, yeah. The bed's full of shit.
We use this for our dump when we can't find any place else to put anything.
It's sitting on a flattened Polo tire, which I ought to do a burnout on. Yeah. If Dad wants to go to the front, I'll show you all something cool. Go up there so you can get the cabin view.
So I can get to what?
The front of the truck in view.
Alrighty.
We did some transmission, well, we did the transmission, and when we did, we found out that some of the cab bolts are completely rusted through the floorboard and shit, so. Come here. It's gotta look worse from the bed. Get a shot from right here, showing the back of the bed.
Yeah, we never did put any more of those cab bolts in to hold it down, did we?
No.
So, he could just be driving along and hit a bump and the cab will fly off and he'll be good to go.
Now, I've already jumped a curb in this, and it felt comfortable. I tore up Bear's yard, I tore up his driveway. But, you know, something had to get tore up. We had to test the transmission somehow. It's got decent tires all the way around. Big old truck tires. One's on Dad's car right now. Oh, what? I'm so surprised how easy that fired up after sitting for that long. If only the S10 did that.
Yeah, there you go.
But the fenders are shot. That's Bondo. That's a lot of Bondo. That's all Bondo.
So I imagine once you get the exhaust hook back up, it ain't gonna make all that noise, is it?
No, it's not as loud, but it's still got a rumble to it. It sounds like a 1500 should. The motor's all stock. It has a manual choke, but that ain't hooked up. That's why it took so long to start it. And so far as I can tell, everything works in it, except for this window, which we have to figure that out because I don't like driving with the window up. I don't know what else to say. So the fender's gonna fall off.
So are we done, son, or are we going some more?
No, we're done, but this is I guess you'd say the new project truck, since we're doing a little bit of work on it. We got to put the exhaust back on, and I got to figure out what's wrong with the shift linkage. I think I bent it, and oh yeah, the brakes started working, didn't they?
Yes.
Windshield wipers work, but they're stuck up right now. Oh, the transmission dipstick tube's got a big ass hole in it, and it fucking spews everywhere, so I'll JB weld that shit.
I knew we'd get that JB weld in there somewhere. I'd have just used metal duct tape.
This truck has the heater hose coming from the heater cord to the radiator. So even if the radiator's not very good and partially plugged, I'll still have decent water flow through it, enough to keep it cool. How long did we have it running that day that we did the transmission? It was definitely good and warm.
Yeah.
About 30 minutes of runtime total.
Yeah, total.
So yeah, it didn't overheat, even when we were doing burnouts and shit, fucking up lawns. So yeah. We'll give you a ride around when I get it done. Have fun. Later.